Welcome to my how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the child lock feature on a Zanussi Lindo 300. So at the top here we can adjust everything from programs and we can start the cycle, etc. And that's what we'll do. So once it's in the cycle, nothing can actually be changed. But we can press play start. Play pause. However, if you don't want that to happen, you activate the child lock feature. When we activate the child lock feature, you can activate it by pressing the temperature and the spin button for 3 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And a little light here by this little lock will activate. Now, if we press the play pause, it will continually flash every time it's hit. We can still turn it off, but when we switch back on, it will actually just resume the cycle. To remove the child lock, we have to press and hold the temperature and spin button again for 3 seconds. And that light goes out. When we turn it back on again, it will actually lose its progress of what cycle it's at. So, to save a cycle during the wash, you have to just simply activate the child lock feature, and therefore you will store where it's up to. Right, and that's it. That's a simple how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the child lock feature. One more final thing, you can activate it without actually being in the cycle. And again, this will actually prevent any cycle being started without your knowledge. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own Zanussi Lindo washing machine at home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.